Good day to all. It is only 3:40, as man would say, and I just came across the poem I wrote, and I wanted to read it to you, because maybe it'll help you see a little clearer who I am. I wrote this March 24th, 2024. Dad, I forgive and understand why you did not want me, knowing it would cause World War III. Mom, I thank you for being brave enough to birth me, bearing down 10 toes deep, a miracle of light, my delight. 444, I have found my roar. Since that time as a baby, I've been on the battlefield, not knowing the real truth. I have since then grown. I've had to learn how to get it on my own, through all the slander and lies. Everyone around me always on standby. I can feel and see all the eyes. Now I know it's been lie after lie. I have always been wise beyond my years. Maybe it's because I've taken care of so many families. From the young generation to the elderly. So many people have abused me over the past 30 years, as if they did not have a soul. I pray you let all that hate go. Y'all not ready for me to explode. You have taken my kindness for weakness. I just thought you should know this. And since it's not safe for me to go outside, well, I'm going to continue to write. I'm going to continue to write. My plants are doing good. You know? I hope y'all are getting the beauty sleep you need. See, someone that always wanting to bang something, make loud noises when I'm trying to rest. But it's okay. One may say hard work pays off. One of these days it will. Hopefully it won't be too late by then. At the rate y'all are going, tomorrow is not promised. And just because you guys have the electronics, thinking that you can put a pacemaker in me to then try to control me, it's not going to work. I mean, by now you should have figured this out, but I'll tell you. Some of you folks don't understand what is truly going on at hand. But hey, all you gotta do is educate yourselves. I'm not talking about going to college and getting one of their degrees. Shucks, look at me. I've got every degree in the frickin' book. And I didn't spend a day at college. Why? Because I can't sit still. My body's not made to sit still. And neither is yours. They just fool you into believing that your diploma or certificate is worth your life and your energy force. I know I'm going to get a lot of hate for this. I can feel it flooding in now. But hey, I got to straighten out my crown and keep carrying on. Because, yeah, that's all I'm going to say. I quit my job the other day. And then I guess word on the street is a haboob came through Arizona. Yeah. Ashes, ashes, dust to dust. Stop attacking the righteous. That's just my suggestion. You don't have to listen to me. You never do. But at least I can say I tried. Can you?